In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your contact form for your online store theme. This is a fantastic way to enhance the look and functionality of your store, making it easier for your customers to get in touch with you. A well-designed contact form not only improves the aesthetics of your site, but also ensures that users can seamlessly communicate with your business. Let's dive in. First, we're going straight to your online store theme. This is the central hub for all your design needs. It's where the magic happens when it comes to personalizing your store. By starting here, we ensure that any changes you make will align perfectly with the rest of your store's look and feel. Now, the next step is to locate your contact form within the theme settings. Depending on the layout of your theme, this may be under sections or pages, but don't worry, it's usually easy to find. This is where your customers reach out to you, so it's important that it's easy to use and visually appealing. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it to open up the customization options. You might be wondering what exactly you can customize. Well, the options are quite flexible. You can change the name of the form, perhaps to something more descriptive or inviting. This can be the difference between a generic label and an engaging statement that catches the visitor's attention. Next, you can adjust the size of the form. Consider the overall look of your web page and decide what size fits best without overwhelming the user. A well-sized form can improve the user experience by ensuring that it fits comfortably within the page. Color customization is your opportunity to make the contact form really pop. Choose colors that align with your brand identity, creating a harmonious look across all page elements. A good rule of thumb is to select colors that are already part of your color scheme or that complement it well for a coherent design. Finally, don't overlook the padding. Padding is the space around the elements of your form, and adjusting it can greatly impact readability and accessibility. Increasing padding can make the form more inviting and easier to navigate, while decreasing it can help save space if you're working within a confined area. After making these adjustments, it's crucial to save your changes. Saving ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that your contact form will display your updates to your site visitors. Congratulations! You've now successfully customized your contact form to better suit your store's aesthetic and functionality needs. Remember, the key to a great online store is not only how it looks, but also how it works for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.